Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn something about using jump rings. What are jump rings? Jump rings are those tiny little rings that you see in a jewelry. The main purpose of jump ring is to attach a jewelry, link them together. You use even jump rings for securing your clasp to a jewelry. Also, you use them in different projects like charm bracelet, in a earring. So let's learn how to use them. It's pretty simple. Let's watch the video. So today I will be demonstrating how to make a chain with the jump ring, how to open a jump ring, also how to use them in a bracelet, charm bracelet. So let's watch the video. Let's learn how to open and close a jump ring. So you hold the jump ring in one hand with a flat nose plier. On the other hand, you have another flat nose plier. You hold the jump ring just where the split is there, and you move your flat nose plier towards you, and that's how you open a jump ring. Then you hold the flat nose plier on the other hand and you move it down anti-clockwise, and that's how you close the jump ring. Now let's learn to make a few things with. So for the first project we have a chain. This is a 18K gold plated chain. Please measure about 14 inches and then cut. So this is a very thin chain, so I'm using very thin jump rings for this. I'm using the jump ring and I'm closing at one end. Using another jump ring. I get a joint here, so I'm cutting it over here, exactly where the joint is, so that I get a loop for the jump ring to go in. I'm putting the jump ring. And I'm closing this. So I have like a link for the lobster clasp. Now I'm going to attach my lobster clasp using bigger jump rings, because it's the end of the chain and so I need them a little stronger. So I'm putting into that loop which I made with the jump ring just now, and I'm using a lobster clasp to attach to the chain end, and then I'm closing with the other flat nose plier. This way I have one end with a lobster clasp. Another side I'm just attaching a jump ring. This I'm using the same technique of opening and closing the jump ring. Now we have a chain with the clasp. Now all that I'm going to do is attach a pendant in the same way. So I'm using a jump ring again. I'm going to take a pendant. It's sort of a wheel type. Just using this. And I'm going to attach the pendant. that's one way of making use of jump rings. That's one way of using the jump rings. Another way is you can make a bracelet with it. Same technique. This is a handmade chain. It already has these type of links to it. So I'm going to use a few pendants here that I have. I'm going to attach them to it. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 links are there. So I will need 9 pendants here. I'm going to use 9 jump rings. Okay, so one by one I'm going to attach the pendants, the charms. Make sure you use the jump ring. When you are using the jump ring, you close them properly. The way it is supposed to be used. If you don't close your jump rings properly, then there's always a chance for the charms to fall out. I'm attaching my second one. So in this way, you can attach each of these charms. These are some of the charm bracelets that I have made using the same technique. This is another way of using the jump ring.